Good morning, guys. I'm tired. I actually slept in this morning. Very unlike me. I never, ever do that. Not a smoky today. Not a smoky. The sun might actually come up and look really pretty today. So we're going for a run. Grab some coffee. I know I've said this before, and I'll say it again. I miss Jamie when she's gone. Your partner is such an integral part of your life. I take advantage of that sometimes in the sense that I don't appreciate the things that she does or just having her around. I get a little transplacent on that sometimes, and I think I need to be more, like, thanks, Jamie. I love you, Jamie. You do a good job, Jamie. I appreciate everything you do for me. Love is probably the most important thing people can have. It gives you a sense of self-awareness, and it also gives you a sense of what's right in the world, because love makes you feel all sorts of things. It's time to go for a run. The puppy's he's excited. Today's all about him because he's been like cooped up because of smoke and the heat. It's been like 105 here for the last 2 weeks, so it's been crazy hot. The smoke has been unbearable. He just needs to get outside and run. You wanna go to a park? Yeah? You wanna go to a park? Yeah, I know. And then tonight we'll get pizza? Yeah, see, he likes pizza. He knows what it is. Do you want salami, pepperoni, and sausage on your pizza? Alright. What kind of crust do you want? White or wheat? White? Okay. Extra cheese? No, okay. No extra cheese. It gives you the, we don't want that. You want olives? Mushrooms. Salami. Pepperoni. Okay. Well, I guess we just ordered his pizza, so we'll get his pizza tonight. I'm gonna put jalapenos on it. No, he's not gonna get that. I take everything off for him because he's a dog and he can't have to eat that kind of stuff. I've said this 3 times as well. We're gonna go for a run.
As fresh as the breeze and the dew in the morning.
He's untied.
Never felt a dry where you fill my cup. You bless me so damn good I barely could stay up. Never felt a dry where you fill my cup. Take you on a picnic then for a ride. Ride it out, ride. Put the door open, baby, let me come inside. A spoonful of love in your peach jam.
Oh, God. It has been a long time since I've been to that coffee shop, and it is good. It's been a long time, and it was well worth it. I think you need to. I need to stop saying I think. I believe, it's in my belief, I don't know what to say. It's in my belief that you need to change. If you get coffee at a spot every day, don't say I think. If you get coffee at a spot every day, maybe a good idea to change it up every once in a while if you're thinking to yourself, nah, this isn't tasting as good as it was the first time around. And that's because you have it every day, and it's not as good every day because it just starts to taste normal. Oh, God. Got a cappuccino with almond milk, and it's probably one of the better ones I've had in a long time. There's this duo of guys there. They're there every weekend. Every Saturday and Sunday at Tin Roof. Maybe my problem was I went during the week and it wasn't as good. This guy makes one hell of a cappuccino, man, and it's... He gives like the actual love. Like he's the kind of guy that will pour the little heart on there or make like the flower. Or sorry, he'll make like the heart, or he'll make like the leaf or something on your cappuccino. That's just such a, like, that detail, that just means love, and like, that just means I'm trying my hardest to make this as good as I can for the person drinking it. super friendly, both of them are. That's what you need in a coffee shop. Not the Starbucks, go to the freezer, get the box kind of mentality where it's like, how many customers can I roll through in a day? Everyone needs to make money, but I think you really need to focus on your customer and making sure they have the best experience. I'm gonna sip the rest of my coffee. I gotta go home and work. And once I'm done working, I'm gonna shoot some more video for tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Peace. As I sit down at 5:44 in the evening, I've pretty much been sitting all day. It definitely hit me today. I thought I would have some time to be able to do some house stuff, meaning cleaning dishes, cleaning the house, maybe do a little filming of my own, spend, some good quality time for myself today. That was not the case. Today was all customer based, which was fine. From here on out, I'm giving myself deadlines because, dude, when you don't give yourself a deadline and you just think, oh, I've got plenty of time to finish this, it gets put on the back burner and put on the back burner and put on the back burner. But then when people are finally like, hey, where is this? You're like, oh shit. From here on out, I'm giving myself a deadline. Like, this video has to be done by this day. I mean, there's really nowhere else. Like, it just needs to be done for sure. I haven't done my push-ups. Didn't get to film anything I wanted to do. Didn't get to get anything done that I needed to do. So I'm gonna bust out some push-ups real fast. I'm gonna do all 100 of them, and I'm gonna do an extra 20 today because I didn't do 20 yesterday. I'm not holding up my end of the bargain, am I? And then I'm gonna get some pizza. I just had it in Harper's ears picked up because I'm not gonna cook tonight. I still want to edit this video because I want to give myself a little bit of time today for me, a little bit of me time. I have fun doing that, so that's what I'm gonna do tonight. And probably finish that up in the morning. 7 days. This is my 7th video I'm making right now with you. This is 7 days in. 7 days in. Sounds like I'm like an addict or something. 7 days sober. 7 days in. And I'm not making light of being an addict at all. Like I get some pizza. Want pizza? Ready for pizza? Harper, want pizza? Okay. Okay. How bad? Okay. You got it.
Go.